Hey guys, in previous video, I think I missed to share that animated graph and 3D graph, which was popping out from the window. So I'm just going to record short video and just to show that like how 3D graph looks, okay? And I'm going to upload on top of that previous video. So let me share my screen now. Okay. So the graph which I missed to show you guys, that is this one. So 3D plot along with line, right? So I'm just going to use this pop. Okay, so now I'm going to share this. Yeah, so I hope it is visible for you guys. So this is what is popping out from the notebook and it will be visible. Okay, so that's all. You can just hold your mouse, rotate it left and right. And so 3D graph, why it is required? Because those points, right, if you see in 2D plane, if you just see from the top, right, you are not able to see like how, if multiple points are there, you will not be able to distinguish how they are separated. But the moment you start rotating, they may be separated by, by couple of values in the z-axis, right, up and down. Okay, so that's where the 3D graph will be helpful to separate out, to see how values are separated. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. And another one is like how it is getting automated, right? So let me run. Okay, so before automation, I would like to show the graph where I'm plotting 2D. This one, line plot. Okay, so line will also look like this in case you are plotting. It will be like zigzag, but from the space you can easily see like how they are separated. Okay, so let me share this in case it is missing. Okay, so this is your line graph, and hold your mouse and you can just drag and drop. Okay, and now the next one is animation, right? So for animation, I have explained very clearly like in previous video. So I'll just show like how the animation looks like with 2D. Yeah, so let me share my screen. Yeah, so this is your 2D graph, how it is getting plotted. So after 20 points, you will see this particular section will, start getting truncated because only last 20 data points I'm going to show. Okay, so this is about 2D graph. And similarly, I have plotted 3D also. So in 2D, I'll show the bar plot now. Yeah, so you can see now how beautifully it is getting plotted with trend line also. So bar up and down and along with the trend line. Okay, so that's about bar plot. Now let's see how you can automate 3D also. So 3D, I'm taking the scatter plot. So this is also going to be looking very similar. I'm just going to share this. Yeah. So points are grown very big, but once you run in the in your notebook, then probably you can easily distinguish. Okay, so let me just run it once again with a smaller point, so maybe 0.2, and immediately I'll share. Okay, so I hope you are able to see now. So this is getting automated and points are getting plotted one by one in the x-axis and their corresponding z value. Okay, so based on the point value or how big is that, because accordingly that circle will be bigger. Okay, and here also you can hold your mouse and just rotate it left and right and do the visualization from all three angles. Okay guys, so I had to make this video very short because in previous video this sharing was missed. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.